Hello students, welcome to Diademy IAS. Diademy IAS is coming up with an initiative that to release all the history optional classroom lectures for free. You can watch all of them in our YouTube channel. These are the classroom lectures that are live classes that were delivered. Around 200 lectures are there. All the parts are covered. Ancient, medieval, modern India and oral history. I suggest you to go through these videos in sequence. History you can get good scores if you connect various dots in a very good analytical manner. History is not just listing out the facts that happened in the past. It is about how you connect various dots and how you analyze any particular event. In my classes, I tried to give this analytical approach very clearly from ancient to oral history. That's why I suggest please go through these videos one by one from ancient to medieval, medieval to modern and modern to old history. So that is how, if you go through these videos, you can understand that how various dots are getting connected and how we can use and score very high in history optional. After finishing these videos, you can also write the test series that is available with us, Diademy IAS. You can also go through the sample question papers and model answers that are given by Diademy IAS. You please go through that. After finishing these lectures, you can also join test series. Test series is very, very important before going to the final examination. If you have good practice, then it becomes easy for you how to present your answers. Knowledge-wise, it's very easy to read the books in comparison with writing the answers in a cohesive manner. That is why test series will be helpful for you to make your answers very structured and analytical in nature. Please utilize this opportunity. All the videos are going to be available for free. You please watch and get the right perspective about history optional. Thank you.